Hey everybody, I'm just about to go into work, but I wanted to show you the things that I got for my new magazine journal. This is a parking garage haul, in case you were wondering. So this is the magazine that's going to be my new magazine journal. And so I needed some washi tape to make it look extra fancy, because I don't have enough washi tape in my life. So, sorry, my hair's bugging me. There was a good coupon at Michael's on washi tape.
So, put your judgy eyebrows away.
Some of us like to spend our money on art supplies. Other of us like to go buy shoes and clothes and stuff. I hate clothes. I like art supplies. So, they were having a really good coupon. So, this is super cute. It's like black flowers and then a little pink flower one. That's Recollections brand. And then this is really cute. They're all really cute. It's like kind of, I kind of like ran out of the florally ones that are my favorite. So, ooh, and then I really like this. It's like yellow and like kind of yellow and green, but look at how awesome it like goes with the cover of that magazine, because I'm going to use, I like the little illustration on the cover, so I want to keep part of that, but look how pretty that washi matches it. Yeah. That's also Recollections brand. This one was just a random in the 3 for $1 bin, but I just liked it. It was slim pickings in that bin when I went. And then this, oh, this is Beautimus. It's the Dina Wakley media. Her stuff is expensive, but I mean, girlfriend makes pretty things, and it was on sale. So they're like kind of in the style of Dina Wakley stuff. If you don't know Dina Wakley,
Who are you?
this is pretty. It's like a polka dotty. This light is bogus. I'm sorry. I'm in the parking garage. Did I say that already? This has words on it. It says, "Oh, make my voice strong and my spirit alive." Very cool. I love stuff with words. It's like a tealy color. And this one's so cool. It's got like these like hand-drawn like facey kind of things. And then pretty arty hearts. Isn't that arty-farty style? And then pretty like scripty writing. And then more like super pretty faces. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's gonna be beauts. So, I just wanted to show you guys that stuff before I go into work. It's my weekend to work, so. But anyway, I'm excited about the magazine journal. I hope you guys pick one out, and maybe we'll work on it this weekend.